6 easy ways to make a girl chase you. While it's understandable to want someone to be interested in you, it's important to remember that relationships should be built on mutual respect and genuine connection. Instead of trying to make someone chase you, focus on being authentic and building a strong connection with them. Here are some tips that might help you attract someone's interest. 1. Be confident. Confidence is attractive. Show that you're comfortable with who you are and what you bring to the table. 2. Be yourself. Authenticity is key. Pretending to be someone you're not won't lead to a healthy relationship. Let your true personality shine. 3. Show interest. Take an interest in her life, hobbies, and passions. Listen actively when she talks and ask thoughtful questions. 4. Have ambitions and goals. Being ambitious and having goals shows that you have drive and direction in your life. It can be inspiring and attractive to others. 5. Be respectful and kind. Treat her with respect and kindness. Show that you value her as a person. 6. Give her space. Don't smother her or try to force things. Give her space to pursue her own interests and let the relationship develop naturally. Ultimately, the best way to attract someone is to be the best version of yourself and to cultivate a genuine connection with them.